as I always say about Big Pit, it's like Jurassic Park, but the dinosaurs are just still there. From school, I went straight into the coal board, so I've worked in mining all my life. Retiring at the end of March this year, after 47 years of mining of different forms. I'm Hugh Jones, I'm the mine manager of Big Pit National Coal Museum.
We invited Hugh to come to the rehearsal room and talk to all the men who were portraying the miners, and it was absolutely brilliant. I've come here today to just help with Caroline with the performance and see how the mining choreography's going. But singing and Wales are as one, innit? You know, so we've always had the best singers in the world, so we might as well put on an opera as well. That's my view.
Hands in each other's hands, together facing extreme demand. Gods of the Shadowlands, gods of the Shadowlands.
There's a lot of chatter down in the mine. Can you hear each other or?
Oh, a lot of chatter, but the banter was all the time. Like.
I wouldn't be able to do it.
But all sorts I tell you. You know, I can still think of them now. Absolute characters, like.
I mean, I'm from the valleys myself, so you know, I've grown up and been surrounded by men like Hugh, and they're incredible, gifted storytellers. There's a pinch of flavouring put on some of the stories.
To sort of see Jeff with Hugh, and there are one or two little parallels now, I think, coming in Jeff's performance.
It gave us a real sense of the camaraderie between these miners. It was brilliant.
We are and are known as a mining area within. That's why South Wales Valleys was, the communities were formed, isn't it? Through mining, and if it can keep the legacy going, it's most important, I think, that people realise where they come from.
I think it's really important that we cherish and celebrate the song and music of the Welsh community, and particularly the male voice choir. Now we're seeing a rise in community choirs. It's just vital that we share that story, but also aligned to the communities that came from.
We want this show to be as authentic and respectful as we possibly can to any miner and to any mining community, and to have Hugh here and to talk to us about the dynamic of men in pits and the dynamic of the community of miners has been brilliant.